In this Pipedrive tutorial video, we'll be talking about formula fields in Pipedrive, why you want to use them, who can use them, and how to use them. Let's dive into it. So formula fields is a relatively new feature that's only come out in the last couple months, and it's a feature that a lot of people have been requesting. Why? Well, they've been requesting it because with formula fields, you can automatically calculate commissions. You're able to automatically calculate or convert one measurement of unit into a different measurement of unit, right? So we have clients, for example, who work, say, in square feet, but they also need to know square meters, or maybe it's a client that needs to automatically calculate margin or anything like that. Well, now they can do that using these formula fields. So that's why you want to use it. Let's talk about who can use it. The formula fields feature is only available for professional and up. So that's professional, power, and enterprise plan users who are able to access this field. In addition, there are a couple more limitations as it is a new feature. First is that these formula fields are only available for deals, right? They are not available for leads, even though leads and deal fields are one and the same. And they are not available for project custom fields, people custom fields, or organization custom fields, just deal custom fields. Last thing is, I know that at least on the professional plan, there's a limit of 5 formula fields per account. I would have to double check and see if you have a larger usage limit for the power and enterprise plan. So let's take a look at it. You're able to access the feature just like you would any other custom field. You go to settings, company settings, and then you can go to data fields. Once you're in data fields, you create a field just as you would normally at the lead or / deal level. It's right here that you can just put in any field that you want. So let's say that we want to calculate commission. When creating the formula fields, you can create formula fields out of numerical or monetary fields. So in this case, commission would be monetary. So let's put in a monetary value right here. Once you choose a deal custom field that's a monetary numeric type, what you're going to see is the ability to apply the formulas to the deal. When you apply a formula to a field, what that means is that you can no longer manually edit that field. The value of that field will automatically be calculated based off of the formula that you add. So we're going to add in the formula here. Now, when you add in the formula field, it's the hashtag that you are using in order to insert the field. So in this case, let's say to do commission, we're just going to do the deal value times 0.25, a 25% commission, or something like that, right? So we're going to do the hashtag. Let's look for deal value. And again, you're pulling from anything that's a numeric field or a monetary field. We're going to do deal value in this case, right? And then we're going to multiply that right here using the star by 0.25. When you go to add in the field, you have two options. Do you want to apply the formula field to be calculated automatically for all deals that are open and new deals that are coming in, or just to the deals that are created after you create this field here or apply the formula to it? In this case, let's do only new fields here, and then you can hit save. All right, so we've created the new field. It will show up in the deal section here. No, like any other custom field, you can say whether it shows up automatically or not within the deal file. In this case, I added it right here at the bottom, commission, right? So let's look at this deal value right here. The deal value is 122,500, right? In this case, it's not calculated because we don't have all the value, because the field was just added. If we hit refresh here, you can see that it automatically calculates. 30,625 should be 25% of 122,500. Let's just double check that right here. Let me pull up my calculator. Okay. 3625 times 4. That's exactly what we got, right? All right, so you can see how this field works and how it can be extremely useful for a lot of different businesses that use Pipedrive. One last thing I want to mention here is that you are able to update, right? You manually update, as you saw, refresh the deal, one deal at a time. Or actually, if you are in list view, what you're able to do is you're able to select all, and then find that calculated field here on the right hand side, commission, and you can make it force recalculate, and it should update for everyone. You can see that formula field here. So it's automatically calculated the commission for each one of these. And would you know, all of them have the same value here, right? So it's the same commission. All right, so that's pretty much everything that I want to show you with the formula fields in Pipedrive. If you have any questions about them or anything else in Pipedrive, just feel free to leave me a comment below. Also, like this video if you got value out of it, and please follow so that you can see a lot more tutorials like this. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.